What's the meaning of color fast? Color fast. Color fast.
Color fast. Color fast. Color fast refers to the ability of a material to retain its original color when exposed to various conditions, such as washing, sunlight, or other environmental factors. A material that is color fast will resist fading or bleeding, and will maintain its original color for a longer period of time. This is particularly important in industries such as fashion and textiles, where color consistency is crucial. In short, color fastness ensures that the original color of a material remains unchanged over time, despite exposure to external conditions.